V.S. Naipaul. His full name was Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. He is known as V.S. Naipaul, born on 17 August 1932 in Trinidad, and he died 11 August 2018 in London, England. And his nationality Trinidad, born British. And he was a novelist, essayist, travel writer, and he wrote fiction, travel writing, autobiography, post-colonial literature. He was born into a Indo Trinidadian family whose ancestors had migrated from India to Trinidad as indentured laborers. His father, C. Prasad Naipaul, was a journalist and a short story writer who inspired him to become a writer. His mother, Draupadi Capilio, came from a large and well-known Indo-Trinidadian family. Growing up in a multicultural society shaped by colonialism and displacement, Naipaul often explored themes of identity and rootlessness in his work. He attended Queen's Royal College in Port of Spain, Trinidad. In 1950, he won a Trinidad government scholarship to study in England. He studied at University College, Oxford, where he read English literature and graduated with a degree in 1953. During his years in England, he faced loneliness and financial struggles, which influenced his early writing. And after graduating from Oxford, Naipaul decided to become a full-time writer. He began working for the BBC as a presenter for its Caribbean Voices program. His first works were inspired by his experiences growing up in Trinidad and observing post-colonial societies. His major works are Meagle Street, The Mystic Messer, and A House for Mr. Vishwas in 1961. And in the same year, Grish Karnat Yayati was also came. And The Mimic Man, In a Free State, A Wind in the River, The Enigma of Arrival, Away in the World, Travel Writing and Non-Fiction, An Era of Darkness, India a Wanted Civilization, India a Million Mutinies Now. Among the believers and his writing style and themes, he is known for his clarity and honesty and realism. He often examined colonialism, exile, identity, migration, and cultural confusion. His prose is precise, elegant, and deeply analytical. And many of his works reflect his personal struggles with displacement and belonging as a person of Indian origin raised in the Caribbean and living in Britain. He won John Llewellyn Rhys Prize, Somerset Maugham Award, Booker Prize in 1971, Jerusalem Prize 1983, T.S. Eliot Award for Creative Writing, and David Cohen British Literature Prize and Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001. Thanks for watching.